Why you should be using AI in your live video productions. This video is about 4K PTZ cameras using AI and a camera controller. Datavideo is currently shipping two 4K PTZ cameras with auto tracking, the PTC 285 and the PTC 305. We are using them to create everything in this video about a new firmware update to the RMC 300A camera controller. Let me show you how, with the push of a few buttons, you can tell multiple cameras exactly how you want your shots framed and then make adjustments live. Each camera can be considered an AI camera operator. Just like a person working behind the camera on a crew, you can ask to turn tracking on a wide shot, a mid shot, or a close-up. You can also adjust the placement of the presenter in your frame. For example, if we had a screen on stage or wanted to bring in a PIP window, we could have the presenter on the left or right, and then back to the center. If the presenter is moving faster or slower, you can match their movement by adjusting the tracking speed. You can also let the speaker come closer to the camera without zooming. You can have multiple cameras following the same person in different angles. Or you can have each camera following a different person. The technical director behind the video switcher will have more options to choose from. A small team of 2 could look like a team of 12 with multiple tracking cameras. Let AI do the work for you with new auto-tracking production workflows from Datavideo. To learn more about Datavideo tracking cameras, the RMC 300A, and other tracking workflows from Datavideo, click the link in the description below. Follow us on social media to keep up with everything new we have coming out this year. Subscribe to us here on YouTube and click that bell icon so you don't miss any announcements. We have many new exciting solutions with tracking coming out this year.